In this tutorial, I will show you how to purchase your newly designed flag. Remember, before you add your new flag to your cart, you'll want to ensure that you saved your flag design. This step is essential because once you add your flag to your cart, you can no longer edit it. See the tutorial in the description to learn how to do this. Once you've saved your design, you can click Add to Cart, which you'll find in the bottom right corner right here. You will receive a warning message making sure you want to leave the designer tool. If your design is already saved, you can click Add to Cart. As you can see, this will bring you to your cart. Here you'll want to make sure you add any additional information you might want us to know under special instructions, including PMS colors, as you can see right here. We strongly recommend providing us with your chosen Pantone colors at this time. This will expedite the proofing process. As you can see, I've already added my Pantone colors. In general, this is a great place to add additional information to get to us about your flag. After providing this information, you will select one of the three options for purchasing. If you have a coupon code you would like to add, we recommend choosing the Proceed to Checkout option, which I will be selecting. This will take you to the checkout page, as you can see, and you can fill out all of the required information. Make sure to keep Email Me with News and Offers selected. This will allow us to send you email notifications about special offers, deals, and even the occasional coupon. On the right-hand side, you can enter any coupon code you would like to apply to your order. From here, you will continue to the shipping information and then payment information. Once you've completed checkout, you will receive an email confirmation. Then a customer service will reach out to you. For more tips, continue to the tutorials located in the description.